Welcome to St. Joseph Degree College. Today in this video I'll explain you how to solve a BEP related problem. Let's take problem number 16. You are given the following data for the year 1978 of X company. Variable cost 6 lakh, that is equal to 60%. Fixed cost 3 lakh, that is equal to 30%. It is equal to 30% on sales, remember this one. Net profit 1 lakh, that is 10%, and total, it is wrongfully mentioned here 1 lakh, actually it is 10 lakh, that is 100%, and it will be sales. Find out BEP, break-even point, profit volume ratio, and margin of safety ratio. Now let's solve it. Always it will be better for you to prepare income statement. So first we have to take sales, that is 10 lakh. From this amount subtract variable cost, that is 6 lakh rupee. Coming to rupees 4 lakh, it is your contribution. Now fixed cost, it is 3 lakh rupees, and finally we get profit of rupees 1 lakh. This is your income statement. It's going to be easy for you if you solve BEP ratio first. Contribution is 4 lakh rupees. Sales 10 lakh rupee into 100. It is 40% now. PV ratio is our 40%. So point number 1 is BEP. BEP is equal to fixed cost by PV ratio. Very easy formula. Fixed cost is 3 lakh and PV ratio is 40%. This will come to 3 lakh divided by 40%. 7,50,000. So our BEP is 7,50,000. Now it's time to calculate margin of safety. Sales minus BEP. Very easy. Sales is 10 lakh. Our BEP is 7,50,000. That will be 2,50,000. But this is margin of safety, not margin of safety ratio. Margin of safety ratio can be calculated by following the formula margin of safety by sales into 100. So 2,50,000 divided by 10 lakh into 100. 25% is our margin of safety ratio. This is how to solve a BEP related problem. And from examination point of view, this problem is very important.